Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another live stream by me, Kevin. With me, Kevin. So we have Doge to talk about today because Doge is doing some big old fat red candlesticking right now, and it's kind of sad because today's Doge Day, and I hate saying it, but buy the rumor, sell the news consistently seems to be a factor in markets that we observe. We have Dogecoin. It is trying to green candlestick up here. Maybe people are seeing some kind of support level here, but we have in the last few minutes here after the Chauvin guilty conviction, we have had a sell off here. It's almost like people watch the verdict and then they're like, "Oh, I gotta check on my Doge. Oh, time to sell." I don't know. It's weird timing, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and try to study this a little bit. Let's look at the sticks. Let's try to understand what's going on here. So we've broken that 33-cent support. We barely broke through that 40-cent resistance. We never really stayed above it. We did briefly, this is on a 5-minute chart here. We did briefly bounce off of it a few times to stay above it. But it's been very, very difficult for Doge to stay above 40 cents. And we did just tick 29.99 for a moment, probably triggering a bunch of purchase limit orders right at about 30 cents. And so hence we are seeing a green candlestick now that once you hit that trigger of probably 30 cents, you tend to have multiple executions thereafter of purchase orders as those limits change to market orders. It would not shock me if that's exactly why we're seeing a little bit of a green candlestick here. But that could quickly fade, and we could retest triggers that we have in that $29 range. Zooming out a little bit again, just to try to understand and get a grasp onto what's going on with the Doge. Zoom out a little bit and get a little bit the market cap here to try to figure out what's going on. Zoom out here. Somebody says 28 cents on Robinhood. Is there really a price disparity? Sometimes we see that, but usually not so much between Robinhood and Webull. Usually they're pretty close. Ooh, you're right. No, wow, I have not actually seen that kind of disparity before, but you are correct. That is very interesting. So Webull has us at about 31 cents right now. I don't know if is there just no, it doesn't look like there's an outage over here. Take a look at this, folks. This is Robinhood. Robinhood showing it at 28.3 cents. So we've got a full 2-cent disparity between these two values here, which is very, very odd. I don't have an answer for that. That is very interesting though. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. We'll see what's going on with Doge relative to some of the other coins as well. Let's take a peek. All right, let's understand what's going on. So we've got Bitcoin in the last 7 days down about 10%. Ethereum up about 1% in the last 7 days. We do have Binance Coin moving nicely. XRP down 22%. Tether pretty stable there, which you would expect it to be right around $1. Cardano down 10% over the last week here. Dogecoin still up 215% over the last week, but you can definitely say that a down of 30% in the last 24 hours on Doge Day 420 is not a good indicator for Doge Day, unfortunately. Webull's behind Robinhood's, they say. Okay, I mean, maybe. Yeah, well, Robinhood is now reporting us at 27.5 cents. So it looks like we have a potential rapid sell-off at the moment beginning. That all sort of began right after. I mean, it's sort of been trending in this direction here today, but it somewhat began right after the trial, which is also kind of odd timing there. But let's go ahead and look at the chart here. So let's go 1 month price weighted caps here. We can see on the price weight, we've definitely seen the amount of dollar volumes getting traded with Doge falling substantially, right? This is when we have peak media. Remember, we regularly talked about that on this channel, and we regularly do talk about that on channel, present tense. Robinhood right now, 28.5. Anyway, when we get to peak media, that's usually when we see the most money exchange hands around a certain stock or a momentum swing or whatever. That momentum is relaxing right now. If we go to a trading view here and we look at actual volume, we're also seeing volume in general stabilize, not as high as we have seen it. Stabilization of volume here. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Let's go down. Why don't we go down to the 1 minute on trading view? Let's see what trading view is showing us. So trading view is actually aligning with Robinhood. Trading view's at 28.6. Robinhood's at 28.4. That's within, a tenth of 1 penny here. Whereas Webull, they're still sitting in that 30-cent range. Very odd movement here on Webull. But anyway, we'll stick to coin market cap here because we know that we're probably just in the beta stages over at Webull for Doge. But we are at a reduced amount of volume at 28.7 cents right now, down 28% in general. Let's try to see if we can see any support levels here if we go out to the 30-minute. Oopsies. Let's see here. If we go to the 30-minute. Okay, where's oh, there's the zoom. I see. There we go. All right, so where do we have prior supports on the 30-minute chart? Let's see what we got. So a little messy around here. Very messy around here. It's very difficult to say that we have consistent support. I would say, gosh, if I were going to draw a line, probably 28 cents could be one of the supports. It's not very clear with how briefly we've been here. Let's draw a trend here. What am I doing? Focus, Kevin. Let's go ahead and draw a trend line. I just want a horizontal line here. So let's go ahead and plot on the 30-minute. 30 minutes just not ideal. You know what? I'm going to back off for a moment. Let me go to the hour. Okay, hour maybe gives me support. No, it's tough. Between 27.4 and 28.4, somewhere between there, it's loose. Honestly, the biggest support is around that 25.7 line. That's really where it seems like we've got a larger support. I'm going to draw a line there. All right, so I'm going to draw this at about 25.5, right around here, 25.7-ish in that range here. I'm having a hard time saying that 28.5 is going to be a strong support. That's a pretty brief moment in time we were there. Let's go to can we go to 5 minutes on here? No, we can go to 1 minute, though. Fine. So if we zoom out on the 1 minute, no, we're not going to get there if we do it on the 1 minute. It'd have to be the 30-minute. Yeah, which is what we were on. Yeah. All right. So we've got volume overall down. Obviously, volume at the moment, this very moment, is up substantially. Mostly because we've got a potential sell-off happening right now. If we let's take a peek, and this is not me. Let's do coin market cap SafeMoon. This is not me shilling or hyping SafeMoon. I'm only looking it up because it was and has been a trending stock, not a stock, coin, trending coin here. So it is possible that a lot of money from Doge is traveling over here to SafeMoon. However, SafeMoon, you want to be careful as well because it could potentially hit the same fate as Doge if this trajectory continues. Now, we don't know how low Doge might go, but we just know that we're on a downtrend right now, which it is 420 day, which is unfortunate. But lots of monetary volume going into here. I mean, massive amounts. When we first mentioned SafeMoon on the channel, by the way, this is why you want to subscribe to the channel. First mentioned SafeMoon as potentially being a new trend coming up on Friday. The darn thing has, since Friday, 6x'd. 6x'd since Friday. I don't even have any money in SafeMoon. I don't want people to think I'm like shilling my own thing here or whatever. I got no horse in this race. Just saying, it's 6x'd. That's crazy. It's probably not sustainable. I don't know, though. There are also concerns about withdrawal fees or like some kind of 10% fee that gets charged when you trade out or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. Here, SafeMoon protocol, according to the white paper, works in the following way. In each trade, the transaction is taxed with a fee of 10%, which is cut in half. While 5% of the fee is redistributed to the token holders at the time, the other 5% is split in half again. 50% sold by the contract into BNB, and the other remaining 50% paired with the affordable. Got it. Okay. Well, 10% tax. So we are moving on a Safecoin. I mean, substantially. It's up again, almost the double today. It's been very, very incredible since Friday. It's been doubles just every single day. But be careful because, the Doge could lead to a trend in SafeMoon unless Doge stabilizes and recovers, which would be ideal. The most ideal scenario is a nice stabilization here. Let's get back over 30 cents, which I do wonder why Webull is showing such a different price here. But it does look like right now we're potentially, we're about to push back over 30 cents here, which is nice. So a little bit of a recovery here. Okay. Let's take a peek and see if that disparity is still here with Webull. Yeah, look at that. Webull, for some reason, is like 3 cents ahead. I don't know if this is just because of orders on the platform itself or what, but just within the last, look at that. That is very, very bizarre. Big old buy the dipping here, pushing this up about 2 cents. This is a big volume chart. Probably some hedgy watching us going, let's make them look at a green candle. Let's now make them look at a red candle. It'd be crazy if you had that much money. You could just do that for fun. Yeah, the charts from Robinhood, very, very odd. Robinhood and Webull here. Robinhood now showing this odd latency in the pricing here. See here, we're now at 30 cents, recovering. That was a real interesting move on the Doge. Now we're at 33 cents here, and we're at 33 cents on Robinhood again. Because look at the, I'll show you the Robinhood. This is the, oops, that's the wrong one. It's definitely the wrong one. Wrong button. There we go. This is the Robinhood chart. Look at that. What a flash crash and then a bounce there. Wow. That is so bizarre. Down to 25.8 cents. And then all of a sudden, just an instant, this must have been a massive purchase, honestly. Let's see if we could see the volume. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap and see the volume here. We did have a spike in volume, which is good. That is what you want to see. You do want to see a spike in volume, so that's very good. Yeah, take a peek right here. See the spike in volume? Let's compare size. Yeah, everybody likes comparing size of volume sticks, of course. So, all right, what do we got? Let's just get rid of this for a sec. All right, so we were at, let's see. Let's go to price. Let's go into the day. It's not really going to tell us. Oh, darn it. I would really like to know the volume of the minute. Stand by. We will find out. We will handle this. All right. So volume. Oh, there we go. 38 million, 39 million. All of a sudden, we had a boost of about 40 million coins. All of a sudden, were picked up. 40 plus million coins, which that's somewhere around, what, 13, 14 million dollars all of a sudden. So somebody with 13 or 14 million dollars could have literally just plowed that into, I mean, I doubt it was just one person, but I'm just saying, all of a sudden you had a trader reversal here. And that reversal really happened here when we had this double test of lows hit. We broke 28 cents really. Went as low as 27, almost actually may have broken 27 cents there for a moment. And now we're recovering again. Very, very incredible. That's a big old move there. Volume sticks. That's right. So, yeah, big recovery here. Very good. Good to see that recovery. We are seeing that on Webull as well. And we're seeing that on Robinhood right now as well. which is good. Good recovery. Let's take a peek here. So now I think the big test, let's take a look at that. The big test, in my opinion, is going to be this 33-cent level again. At least that's what we have on our Webull chart here. It's the 33-cent level, which we are technically above that on Robinhood. I have no idea why Robinhood is at 34 cents right now. And Webull's at 32 cents. And CoinMarketCap's at 30 cents. This makes it a little harder. It makes it a little harder to kind of do some analysis here to figure out what the heck is going on when you have this kind of madness going on. Yeah. Okay. Very interesting. So we are seeing a slight recovery, but potentially it looks like at least Robinhood's stick is declining again. I'm getting tired of comparing sticks. I mean, they're just sticks. Don't they all do the same thing? You'd think so. But no. Very, very bizarre. Let's zoom out a little bit on Robinhood. Yeah, see, we've done these tests before. Right? We've moved to ties here of around 42 cents, 46 cents, I want to say intra-minute. Can't really get a target on that. But we have moved to a sort of a second dip over here, which we have seen a dip here. It is unfortunate that that's what's happening over here on Doge Day, but it is. I would say, I would definitely caution that if you are, and remember this, talk about this regularly. If you have life-changing amounts of money, consider taking some life-changing amounts of money and changing your life. If you are a hodler, hodl. And if you are a trader, well, look for levels. But the problem is trying to identify exactly which platform you want to use. Some folks are saying that we are getting a mid price from Webull and potentially a different price, either a bid or ask on some of the other platforms. I'm not sure. But we definitely do see a disparity, which usually we don't. Yeah, Doge now showing at 29.9 on Robinhood, under that 30-cent level again. We're also on the 1-minute stick, but I really feel like it hasn't moved off this 1-minute stick for a very, very long time. And it's certainly been more than a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and put Webull away for a second. We're going to jump on over to CoinMarketCap again just to see what we can. We'll just stick with this resource. We'll stick with CoinMarketCap for a moment. So I'm going to do this. Let's do this. Let's go to a private page here. Let's do Twitter trending. Quick little search here. See what's trending on Twitter. So Rot in Hell is trending. Abolish the Police is trending. Chauvin found guilty is trending. Bail revoked is trending. Accountability is trending. Sentencing in 8 is trending. Weeks. Rip Bozo is trending. Third degree murder is trending. Okay. All right. Well, this is for you on a private browser. So let's try trending, the actual trending tab here. Count one, thank you God, Cash App payday, praise God, bail revoked. Okay, I don't see Doge. Where's Doge? Happy 420. Lock 'em up is trending. Relief. Say their names. Okay, no Doge trending right now. Let's go ahead and look at Google search trends. Dogecoin. Let's see what we got over here. All right, so the good news is and we saw this during our morning market open live stream as well this morning. You've got the 12-month chart did update with a higher interest for Doge, which is good. Let's go to the past 7 days here. Yeah, 7 days. You definitely have a media sort of attention decline here. If we go to the past day, also a decline. And if we go to the past 4 hours, well, I think this is just probably the data hasn't fed in yet, but it's been pretty stable. No particular peak in search trends at any point today. Generally not what you want to see. You want to see momentum in trends. You want to see momentum in social media activity. We're not seeing that at the moment. let's go ahead and drop back on over to CoinMarketCap and see what we have going on with Doge. CoinMarketCap, Doge. Yeah, Webull and Robinhood being a little bit unreliable right now in terms of showing different pricing. Maybe one of them is more reliable. I'm not sure. But for right now, let's go to the Doge coin. Here we go. We're indicating a price of 30 cents, 30.67 cents. If we go to Trading View here and we go to the 1 minute, we definitely had a nice recovery, a nice V-shaped recovery here. But we definitely did test some new lows. We haven't seen these lows in a while. When's the last time we saw these? What, 2 or 3 days? It certainly wasn't within the last few hours. That's the point. Yeah, we had previous lows here. Yeah, right around that 25.5 is really where you have that support on the 1 hour chart. 25.5, 25.6, right around here. And that was on the 18th and 17th. The 17th and the 18th. Today's the 420, obviously. So we did have that run up on 419. But again, very, very clear. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And that seems to be where we are bobbing around right now. And again, bobbing we are. Even though we have recovered here with some good purchase volume, recovered additionally with some additional good purchase green volume here, we are potentially turning a bit again. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. A lot more people in the Doge market to sell. Oh, yeah, maybe people have less money. Everyone's selling Doge for SafeMoon. SafeMoon has crushed Binance multiple times for the last 2 days due to volume, deflationary. Yeah. I mean, SafeMoon has 6x'd in the last, since Friday. So, yeah, no kidding. No kidding. There's been a lot of momentum over there. All right. Well, I would say that's good for now. We've kind of watched a little bit of a crash here. We've watched a recovery. We are seeing a little bit of a trend back downwards. So, be careful. If you're a hodler, you've got an opportunity to buy the dip. Life-changing amounts of money, consider making at least some of the change, and then you can become a hodler for the rest. And if you're a trader, just be aware of the volatility that we're seeing and be aware of those changes in search trends. Very important. Okay, good. All right, folks, thank you so very much for being here. Always appreciate you joining live. I appreciate you all as always. Consider subscribing, sharing if you find these videos helpful. And folks,